Hi guys and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today I'll take another look into the charts. And if you ask me, we kind of broke the correlation with the Nasdaq Top 100, the S&P 500 and the Dixie. So I think we can skip those charts for today and go straight to Bitcoin. Yeah, we had a higher low during yesterday's video. We had a nice engulfment on the 4 hourly, or not really, but almost. Yeah, over here, you know, we saw fundings and premiums completely disappear, and spot buying picked up, and we pumped right through 50k. We just needed to, basically make a higher low first to go through 50k, make people short the bottom over here, and go back up. Also a perfect retest over here on the VPVR over there. And right now, in that process, we cleared this big resistance, and I would say we're ready to go for all-time highs again. We can remove some of the drawings over here, and this is the next one to crack. Really easy, really simple. A close above there will bring us to all-time highs. So that is that. Close look over here. Do we see anything else? Not really. Yeah, that's basically it. That is basically it. I was talking about that yesterday already, or earlier this week, expecting a green dildo to happen. Oh, my notifications. Hoppa. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, green dildo inbound. And that was when price was at 44k. So totally following the plan, very happy about that. Ethereum following Bitcoin exactly, but over here, you know, this is kind of the level of 52k for Bitcoin. So Ethereum is not quite there yet, is lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin when we compare it with this pop over there. But Ethereum is not looking that bad over here either, looking very good. Ethereum BTC not looking that strong over here, but looking to bottom over here. So I'm still bullish on it, and my target remains 0.05. Litecoin, I mean, yeah, basically following all the patterns of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go to the really messy chart. Had these lines over here for a long time already, and we'll remove everything. But I would say this is still the line to hold for Litecoin over here. And it's doing so. Need to stay above this one over here, or get back above this one, of course. And this is resistance over here. So for me now, I wouldn't trade it over here yet. I would punt in along above $250, or just wait it out really. Not in this place I would place a trade. Doge is surprisingly still looking very good over here. It's a long in my opinion. Very easy pattern. I would say if they break this low over here, you get out of your long. Not yet a reason to stop, but we're making higher lows over here and over there. And right now we just want them to make that higher high. Let's remove this one. Want them to make that higher high and break this one over there. Solana very much consolidating over here between support and resistance, which everything is always in between. But I mean, seeing something like this, that's the trend line. You want them to break and start making higher highs. We do not want lower lows lower than this one, but for me it is consolidating, looking very good, consolidating that high. Badger is really hogging resistance over here. Had this pop yesterday, was some bullish news about the Binance listing, I believe. But the chart is very much bullish for Badger. Also, yeah, they're holding twice their market cap in treasury, which makes it very bullish as well. Fundings were rising a little bit today. Let's refresh it. And you can see predicted over here on Bybit is coming down, which is good. Bitmex predicted, they have different funding periods, of course. Predicted on Bitmex is going up. So something to keep in mind, and that is something we could see over here very well as well. The bottom here, very low premiums. People were shorting the bottom, or at least their longs were liquidated. So if you look on Twitter or other places, everybody's saying they caught the bottom. Well, they didn't. They're purely lying. The majority didn't catch this one, and that is very bullish. They need to buy back higher. I would say thank you for your money, guys. If you trade with some leverage, make sure to do it on one of my referral links. They're in the video description. And make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. So what we are looking to do over here now is break above 52.5k and have a 4-hour close over there. And then it's back up, time for new highs. Of course, need to keep a check on those fundings and premiums. And we need spot buying, big spot buying. Not a lot of news today, or at least news I found interesting to tell you guys about. But yeah, let's see if there is something interesting tomorrow. For now, long and strong, and see you guys again tomorrow.